Hey, yo, what it do? So if you're joining the live stream right now, for those who are watching on YouTube, tap the like button so the YouTube algorithm can push out the live stream. And if you're watching on TikTok, um, double tap the screen and share the live stream. Let's go. Oh, fuck. It's all good. It's all good. All fucking good. It's better now. Think it's better now. Cool. Yeah, I think my camera is good now. So if you're joining right now, for those who are joining, if you're joining on YouTube, tap the like button so the YouTube algorithm can push out a live stream. And for those who are watching on TikTok, double tap the screen and share the live stream. And for those who are watching on YouTube, like we do this live stream every day, 7 days a week. So if you're just joining for the first time and you don't want to miss out on any of my lives, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I go live. So we do this 7 days a week at 5 p.m. Mountain Time. That's when we normally go live. As is asking about Siwi, what do you see Siwi at? What I'm gonna tell you for the overall state of the market. Right now, BTC is still. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. I'm gonna be like BTC is still ranging, right? It's still ranging. So there is no, we can't see like a very clear uptrend or a downtrend. So when it comes to other cryptocurrencies, I don't see any other crypto moving unless BTC begins to pump. But on a long term, I'm actually very bullish on Sui. I see so much potential for Sui, right? But if you had to ask me where I see Sui going on a short term, it all depends on how Bitcoin actually moves. Or 2028. So if you had to ask me 2028, I see Sui doing minimum 12x. So that's my minimum target, 12x by 2028. So long term, I'm actually very bullish on Sui. What's up, Brian? How you doing? Welcome to the live stream. For those who are watching on TikTok, if you're watching on TikTok, double tap the screen and share the live stream. And for those who are watching on YouTube, tap the like button so the YouTube algorithm can actually push out the live stream. So that's Bitcoin right here. That's the chart for Bitcoin. Do you guys have any other question for me? Let me know in the comment section. What's up, Adeyinka? Welcome to the live stream. Gabriel is asking what app is that. So what you're seeing right now is known as CoinMarketCap. So CoinMarketCap, one thing I like about CoinMarketCap is that it does have trading view within it. So if you click on this, that's regular CoinMarketCap charts. And when you click on the trading view one, it takes you to like, you can actually view charts like you see in trading view. And also it has like every tool you need for your analysis, right? Every tool you need, it does have it. So that's why I like it. So most of my analysis right now, I do it on CoinMarketCap. I just go to CoinMarketCap and I just do my analysis, right? And after analysis, I just place my trade. Aziz asking, what do you see Solana doing? Solana and Ethereum doing by 2028? By 2028, when it comes to Solana and Ethereum, for Solana, I see the coin doing minimum $300 by 2028. And when it comes to Ethereum, I see minimum $5,000 by 2028. That's my minimum target on a worst case scenario, right? But I believe the coin is gonna surpass those levels. So the level I'm giving you right now is like on a worst case scenario. If the coin doesn't perform as we expect, at least for Solana, minimum, 300. Ethereum minimum $5,000. That will be my prediction. Brian is asking, how was your weekend? Hey, yo, my weekend is good, man. All I've been doing is work. That's all I do. Even though this is supposed to be a holiday, yesterday was Good Friday. Tomorrow is gonna be Easter, right? But all I do is work, so I just grind all the time. If any other question, guys, let me know in the comment section. Someone is asking entry for Siren. Let's look at this coin known as Siren. Hmm. I don't fully trust this coin, bro. Initially, this coin was like they pumped this coin all the way to like almost $4, and after that, they dumped it all the way to like I think 64 cents or so, and dropped it to like how many cents? Almost 1 cent. And right now, they are beginning to pump it. I'm not gonna trust this coin. I feel like there are better coins to buy. If you want, you can actually swing trade it, but I believe there are better coins to buy than trying to buy that shitty ass coin. Unless you wanna lose money. All right, Joshua Price is asking how to connect VPN to trade. So Joshua Price, are you currently on my Discord right now? So I might help you. I might explain it on my Discord. Let me know whether you're on my Discord. If you're on my Discord, I'll see how I can explain it to you. Someone is asking what I see Ethereum below $1,200. It is possible. It is possible. Ethereum below $1,200 is possible. My worst case scenario, my bottom for Ethereum in 2026 is gonna be around $900. That would be my bottom. But let me pull up the chart for Ethereum. Let's go to the monthly candle. Yeah, so during the last bull run, so during the 2021 bull run, yeah, 2021 bull run, it was like it touched almost $5,000, right? After that, the bottom was like 850. That was the bottom 850. And during this cycle, it pumped almost, the autumn high was almost the same. I feel like the bottom this time is gonna be around that $900. That'll be my target. $900 is gonna be my target for the bottom for Ethereum. And during the next bull run, we might see Ethereum go from like 5,000 to like $10,000. So will it be good to hold Cardano or to sell? What I'm gonna tell you for Cardano is that just wait to break even. And once you break even, you can just run. Cause if you're currently down right now, I don't like selling at a loss, right? So you might be down right now and you might want to sell at a loss. I don't actually encourage that. I don't like when people sell at a loss. So the best thing you can do, you can just wait for best thing you can do, just wait for when market begins to pump or when BTC starts pumping again, and maybe you break even with your Cardano. That will be the best time to run. You feel me? So that's the best thing I can tell you. All right, as he's asking, what about Monero? So when it comes to Monero, I am bullish on Monero. So I've talked about this coin multiple times because I told you guys that privacy coins are the future. That was the reason why I told you guys to look into privacy coins because privacy coins are the future. So I gave you guys some privacy coins like Monero, Zcash, Dash, and so many others. But out of all the privacy coins I give you guys, the one I'm most bullish on is gonna be Monero. So for Monero, I'm actually very bullish on Monero. I see so much potential for the coin. And also, that was the same coin that broke its former all-time high in 2026 during this bear market. The coin was just pumping crazy. So I am bullish. As this is said, I'm going long on River. Let me pull up River. Let me pull up River chart. Let's go to the daily candle. Hmm. This coin dropped heavily. So right now I can't see a particular. So what I'm seeing right now, the coin is currently. Let me use the 1 hour time frame. I think the coin is currently ranging right now. So initially the coin dropped. So as you can see, initially the coin fell all the way to it drops. But right now it's currently ranging right now. So if you want to actually long, I think right now it's not actually a bad time to like position yourself. But what I'm gonna tell you, don't try to go all in at once. You want to scale in slowly, right? So you want to scale in slowly in case it drops more. At least you don't fucking get wiped. Someone is asking what I see tau or hype dipping further. And what are your price predictions? So when it comes to BTC, if BTC keeps on dipping, BTC is gonna dip too. So that's what I'm gonna tell you for Bitcoin. So it does follow Bitcoin, right? Along with every other cryptocurrency. But if BTC starts pumping in this Q2 due to like the hype from the Clarity Act, Bitcoin so is gonna pump too. But if you're asking regarding the next bull run, how much do I see Bitcoin so going? Let me pull up the chart. So this coin is currently at $301 right now. If you had to ask me about the target for this coin during the next bull run, I'll say this coin smashing for my all-time high easily. Like this for my all-time high. You know, I see the coin actually smashing that easily. I see the coin going all the way to like $1,200. Bitcoin are going all the way to like $1,200 is actually possible. So that would be my target for the next bull run. So for the next bull run, I see this coin like I told you. I see it breaking for my all-time high, and I see it going all the way to like, $1,200. Any other coin and hype. So when it comes to Hyperliquid is another coin I'm super bullish on. Let's open up Hyperliquid. Because Hyperliquid, I told you that one can do $250. That'll be my target. So $250 for Hyperliquid. Yeah, so that's Hyperliquid right there. So Hyperliquid, if you look at the chart for Hyperliquid, the chart is actually holding strong. That's something I like about this coin. Anytime I look at the chart, it's always holding strong, right? So if I'm to give my target for this coin, so that's the current high right now for Hyperliquid, $59. That was the highest Hyperliquid actually went to. But if I'm to give my target during the next cycle, let me show you how much I see this coin pumping all the way to. Because I see so much potential for this coin. I'll say it's even surpassing 200. I think my target is gonna be all the way to like 250. Yeah, so all the way to like 250. So that'll be my target for Hyperliquid. So during the next bull run, we're gonna see this coin. It's gonna go parabolic and maybe tops at 250 before cooling off, right? At 200 or like 180. But I see Hyperliquid pumping all the way to like 250 during the next bull run. So, and that's what I'm telling you guys for Hyperliquid. Try to get this coin at around $25 and below. If you can get the coin at $25 and below, at least you are guaranteed a 10x. So I see so much potential for that coin. Also, for those who are watching right now on TikTok, double tap the screen, share the live stream. So if you're getting value from the live stream and you would like to support the live stream, double tap the screen and share. And also, if you're joining for the first time, we do this every day, 7 days a week. So if you don't want to miss out on any of my live streams, make sure you follow and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I go live. Same for YouTube. If you are joining the YouTube for the first time, and you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Any other question, guys? Let me know in the comment section. I keep on seeing Hyperliquid. That's Hyperliquid we just spoke about. I told you guys I see Hyperliquid pumping all the way to like 250. I am very bullish on Hyperliquid, so I've already talked about it. Someone is asking, did you move to Houston? No, I didn't let her move to Houston, I didn't let her move to Houston. I'm still in Alberta. I feel like I'm gonna go to Toronto first. So I'm gonna go to Toronto because like in America right now, there are so many crazy things happening in America. There are so many crazy things happening right now in America, right? So I would just stay in Canada for a while. Or maybe I would just move to Toronto. Ahmed from YouTube is asking whether you saw we go back to its all-time high. Let's look at this coin called you saw. I think this might be one of the coins, one of those coins all these fucking scammy influencers are pumping. Ah, this coin is fucking dumb, bro. Yeah. So that's the coin right there. All these fucking scammy influencers, they come, they pump a coin, and when the coin dumps, everybody runs. You see? They coin, they pumped it all the way to like how many? And after that, they dumped it to like $3.7 million market cap. This coin is done. I don't see the coin coming back again. It's fucking done. Let's go to their Twitter page. Let me see what are their what are they still tweeting or what are their Twitter is done too. 206 likes. No, 206 followers. Last post March 29. Man, this coin is fucking dumb, bro. Look at March 30th, three likes. The coin is fucking dumb. Just move on. Just move on. That would be my best advice for you. Which other coin are we gonna look into? Let me know in the comment section. This is asking why is Hyperliquid going to skyrocket in 2028? So when it comes to DEX platform, Hyperliquid is number one. It's like the biggest DEX platform in the space. And also when it comes to all the centralized exchanges, people are beginning to lose trust, with centralized exchanges, right? So when people begin to lose trust on all these, sex platforms like Binance and all the rest, and they start going to Dexes. Hyperliquid is number one. I see that coin fucking exploding. So I am super bullish on Hyperliquid. Very, very bullish. And also for those who are watching on YouTube right now, can you tap the like button so the YouTube algorithm can actually push out a live stream? If you're watching on YouTube, tap the like button. The game VIP is asking about Giggle Coin. What the fuck is Giggle Coin? Giggle Coin. I can see Giggle Fund. I don't know whether that's the one you're talking about. Are you talking about Giggle Fund? Because that's the one I can see. Which one are you talking about? Oh, Giggle Fund, the first one. All right, let's go to the first one. What the fuck? Look at the chart. It's like a fucking barcode, bro. This shit is a fucking rug. Shit is a fucking rug, bro. Look at the fucking chart, man. What the fuck are we gonna do with this? So it is a fucking rug. Any other question, guys? And also for those who are watching on YouTube, if you have any question or if you have any coin you would like me to analyze, just let me know in the comment section. What is the price of BTC right now? So BTC is currently at 67,226. And also, if you're new to trading and if you like to learn how to trade, DM me the word mentor. So for those who are watching on TikTok, if you're new to trading and you would like to learn how to swing trade, DM me a mentor. And if you're watching on YouTube, DM me on my Instagram. So my Instagram is the God of Finance. DM me mentor. And once I'm done with the live, I'll get back to you. So this is my Instagram for those of you. Yeah, so this is my Instagram right here. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram. And like I said, if you need help, like if you need help in like trading or if your trading strategies, like if you're trying to refine your trading strategy, or maybe you're new to trading and you're looking for, some guidance and mentorship. So you can go the way to my Instagram and you can DM me the word, mentor. And once I'm done with the live stream, I go through all my DMs. So once I'm done with my live stream, I'll go through every DM and I'll reply you guys. Any other question before I go, guys? Joss is asking about AKE. I think this is gonna be the last coin we're gonna talk about. Aikido. Aikido actually pumped today. Aikido is up 16% today. Initially, this coin, the chart was on a downtrend, and it kind of seems the coin is beginning to reverse right now, so you can see. So let me use like 24-hour candle. Yeah, it kind of seems like the coin is beginning to reverse. Initially, it was on a downtrend. Let me use like 4-hour candle. What do these guys actually do? So overall, the coin is down 91% overall. So Arcado is a vibe coding game and content creation engine launchpad that leverages AI agents to improve development efficiency, 100x over traditional, LM solutions. Cool. So the coin right now is kind of looking bullish right now. I'm gonna keep it real with you, but this kind of project, I would trade this coin. I wouldn't invest into this project. So for investment, Aikido, stay the fuck away from Aikido for investment. But if you want to trade it, you know, swing trade it, you can actually go for it. Job work said, bro, we need the market to pump. It's hard to be in the red all the time. Yeah, market right now isn't looking good. Market has been hella boring lately, right? But what can you do about it? Sometimes you just gotta like just fall back, relax, go do something else. You know, you don't have to be on the market all the time like I do. Mine, the only reason you guys see me here all the time is because I need to update the market to you guys. But for you guys, sometimes if your portfolio is down a lot and you can't handle it, just go do something else. Go to the gym, go do some workouts. Than being on your portfolio all the time. Any other question, guys? And also, we're gonna be doing live trading today. We might do it either today or tomorrow. I want to show you guys some live trading, right? For those of you who are interested in seeing some live trade, we're gonna do it maybe in the evening today, or we're gonna do it sometime tomorrow. But you guys will be seeing some live trading. Job work said I get bull run is happening in 2028. But how am I gonna survive? You just got to be patient. Or something else you can do, like I told you guys from the Clarity Act. So from the Clarity Act, we're gonna see the market pump. So when market pumps during the hype from the Clarity Act, right, you might lock in some profit. So that would be another opportunity for you to take some profit. That's what I'm gonna tell you. That's what I'm gonna tell you. All right, guys. I think I'll be heading out right now. So I'll be back again today, maybe to do some live trading with you guys. So for those who are just joining for the first time, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, follow, hit that subscribe button. And also, if you want to learn about trading, DM me the word mentor on my Instagram. And once I'm done with the live stream. So that's my Instagram right here for those of you who don't know. That's my username, the God of Finance. So if you want to learn trading, go to my Instagram, DM me, send me a message with the word mentor. And once I'm done with the live stream, I'm gonna get back to you. Love you guys. Um, yeah, so love you guys. See you tomorrow. And peace.